My heart is full, and I feel so unworthy of the love God continues to show me. I left Nigeria for an 8-day break early in the year and did a COVID-19 test 3 days prior to my departure, as was mandated. The test was negative and I proceeded on my trip. On getting to my destination, I had to take another mandatory COVID-19 test at the airport, which came out positive. I was confused because I had been extremely careful. I had mild symptoms that I attributed to stress from preparing my son for boarding school and for my trip because we left at the same time. Now came the stress of being quarantined in the foreign land, extra costs, worrying if my son had contacted the virus. But to the glory of God, the test done on his arrival at school was clear. I continued to key into the morning prayers and put my prayer request out there. I did 2 further tests in the space of 2 weeks that were still positive. During one of the morning prayer sessions, the moderating pastor mentioned my request and prayed. I took a leap of faith and packed my boxes and sent my laundry to be done. With the fasting and prayer, I did 2 separate tests and one of them came back negative. I didn't even bother waiting for the next one. Please, help me thank the possessor of heaven and earth, the one who says yes and no one can counter it. He didn't just heal me, He made me whole, because that is what He does. I lost 3 family members to the virus at the start of the year, and here I am, like I just had a mere cold. God is real. He is good, faithful,